Well, folks, as I say, there's no rest for the wicked. Here we go. Got a call from the surgery center down below. There's a leak coming through the ceiling. And we've been in this suite before. We replaced the water heater in here. The old drain line repair over there. That was also a leak downstairs. And so now we have this. And as you can see, when I was looking at it in the ceiling down there, it wasn't leaking out of the pipe. The pipe isn't cracked. It's leaking around the pipe. You can see this condensate drain right here, kind of dripping on the side. You know, this guy was not having a good day or whatever, and he just didn't feel. So it's all saturated around there, and it's dripping down. So all he had to do was add a little piece of tubing right here, a regular 45 and a short piece of tubing. And it'd be no problem, but he did a street 45 and a 90 and just didn't quite make it. So unfortunately for me, I gotta cut it all the way back to here now. Might have to use the Jet-Swet because I don't really have time for this to stop draining. So I got my Jet-Swet if I need it. I'll cut that off. Probably do a female adapter or male adapter right there, and then yeah, we'll go from there. I'm not really sure what combination of parts I'm going to use yet, but I'll show you it when I get done. Okay, guys, got it fixed up. Quite simple, really. I got my Jet-Swet in there, soldered the female adapter on, pulled it out, and I found this Street 90 and male adapter and a piece of tube. I already had it in my scrap pile somewhere, so rather than waste the fittings, I just used it again. And so I only ended up using one elbow. So goes over there, 90s, and right in the middle of the drain. And then when I got it all set in there, right in the middle of the drain, there isn't any holes. It's just where they stamped their logo, the company logo, in there, and that was no good. I think it would have been fine. I think it was actually getting around like the floor material here because it was so much on the side. But just to be sure, I wanted to make sure it drips right in the middle of that drain. So I took this guy off, a little brass cup, and burned a hole in the center with my oxyacetylene. And that seemed to do it. So there's that fix for today. And my phone's ringing, so I gotta go.